Are you looking for paintless dent repair kits? Many car owners dread dealing with dents. Trips to the body shop can be time-consuming and expensive. Paintless dent repair kits are a practical alternative. They allow you to fix minor dents yourself, saving both time and money. These kits are easy to use, even for beginners. List number: Super PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit. 148 PCS Dent Puller Kit. Tackle car dents with ease using the Super PDR Paintless Dent Repair Kit. This 148-piece set offers everything needed for quick repairs. Fix big dents, small dents, door dings, creases, and hail damage in just 30 minutes. The included LED light board helps you see every detail clearly. Perfect for both professionals and beginners. Restore your car's appearance without hassle. Advantages: efficient dent removal in just 30 minutes. No long waits. Versatile kit tackles big dents, small dings, and creases. LED light board aids precision, ensuring better repair outcomes. 148-piece kit offers comprehensive tools for varied dent types. Simplifies car maintenance, saves costly repair shop visits. List number: Super PDR 93 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Kit. Car dent removal tools. Discover the ease of car dent repair with the Super PDR 93 PCS Paintless Dent Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for quick and effective dent removal. The dent lifter and bridge puller simplify the process, making it accessible for everyone. A slide hammer T-bar provides added leverage for tougher dents. Glue removal tools ensure a clean finish every time, perfect for restoring your car's smooth surface without hassle. Advantages: easily remove car dents with the Super PDR 93 PCS kit. No need for expensive body shop visits anymore. Save both time and money effortlessly. Comes with 93 pieces for versatile dent repair solutions. The kit includes everything needed for different types of dents. User-friendly design ensures anyone can use it. Even beginners can fix dents with ease. High-quality tools ensure durability and reliability. Built to last, providing long-term value. Safe on car paint, preventing further damage. Maintains your vehicle's original appearance. List 3. Dent Puller Kit. 135 pieces car dent repair kit with slide hammer 2-in-1. T-bar. Transform your car repair experience with the 135-piece dent puller kit. This kit includes a 2-in-1 slide hammer and T-bar. Golden lifter and bridge puller efficiently tackle 98% of car dents. Paintless dent removal keeps your car's finish intact. Easy to use for both beginners and professionals. Enjoy smooth, hassle-free repairs at home. Advantages: save money on car repairs with this dent puller kit. Fix most dents yourself without needing expensive professional services. Easy-to-use tools make dent removal quick and simple. Even beginners can handle it with confidence and achieve great results. The kit comes with 135 pieces for versatile repair options. A comprehensive solution for various dent types and sizes. Paintless dent removal protects your car's original paint job. Maintains your vehicle's appearance without additional touch-ups. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use of the repair tools. Provides a reliable option for ongoing maintenance needs. List number: RoadGive 97 PCS Auto Body Dent Repair Toolkit. Paint-friendly dent repair kit with golden lifter. Discover the ease of fixing dents with the RoadGive 97 PCS Auto Body Dent Repair Toolkit. This kit includes a golden lifter, slide hammer, and bridge puller for precise repair. Paint-friendly tools ensure your car's finish stays intact. Suction cups and a glue gun add versatility to your dent removal process. Perfect for car owners who want to maintain their vehicle's appearance effortlessly. Advantages: easily fix car dents with the RoadGive Repair Kit. This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools. Included are a lifter, slide hammer, and bridge puller. Gentle on paint surfaces, it prevents damage. Your car's original look stays intact. Designed for easy use, it suits beginners and experts alike. No need for professional help. Save time and money. The kit boasts high-quality materials for durability. Long-lasting tools ensure repeated use. Versatile kit handles different dent sizes. Ideal for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. List number: Super PDR Paintless Dent Removal Kit for car. Body repair tools, dent removal tools. Discover the ease of repairing car dents with the Super PDR Paintless Dent Removal Kit. This kit handles 95% of car dents effectively, perfect for fixing hail damage and minor dings. Lightweight tools make it easy to use at home. Save time and money on body repairs. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and car owners alike. Advantages: fix car dents easily without damaging paint.
Saves you money. Easy-to-use tools make car repairs simple for anyone.
Compact kit. Store it anywhere. Keep your garage tidy.
Eco-friendly solution. No chemicals needed. Protects the environment.
Suitable for most car models. Works on various dent sizes.